So this is the Nike Air Jordan Max Aura 5. It's a new collection. I got this from Sun and Sand Sports. The original price in Dubai is 675 dirhams. I got it during the Dubai Super Sale 2024. I got it for 399. And this is the first look of the shoe. So according to the brand, they mention that when you need a shoe that's ready 24/7, it's got to be the Max Aura 5. The build quality is super amazing. I got this in red and white, quite a unique color as well. They have a decent cushioning at the bottom. The design is also quite amazing, and I think the color is also quite decent. And when I wore it for the very first time in the store, I could feel that it's lightweight. Usually that's not what people report with Jordans, but it's quite light.